Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a remote control camera for bird feeder system here. This is what it looks like here. I'm gonna show you. We'll open it up and I'll show you just me opening it now, and then I'll show it with the video and stuff on it once I get it all set up. But let's see what's all in here. So this is the little manual for it. Let's see what this is here. I guess we'll figure this out. This is exciting. Okay, so this is what the bird feeder looks like, and it's got the camera right there, and it comes with a perch, so our perch will go on it here, and we've got some screws and stuff here, so that's everything. So this is where it's gonna mount, I guess. Oh, that's it. So this is gonna mount. I'm gonna mount this one, I guess, to a fence. So it'll mount to the fence. Oops, I didn't fix that in there. And then it will slide onto it to hold it in place. So I'm gonna have to screw this thing onto a fence really good. I guess it can go up and down or sideways. It really doesn't matter which one. So if I just got it on a 2x4 or something, I can go this way. So very cool. And then I will set up the camera to point to it. And this is the solar panel, so it'll charge itself as it goes, and it'll have the camera there. And I will set this up and point it to a bird and figure it all out here, and I'll show you guys the video of what it all looks like. So very cool. I like this. This is a nice little camera, this nice little birdhouse thing. So it'll be bird feeder, so I'll feed up with all the birds. So I guess I'll have to unscrew it there in order to put the bird food in the top. So each time I use it, I'll have to unscrew it. But I probably want to clean it out anyway, so once it's full, there's going to be a lot of bird food in there. So, cool. I like this one. Very cool. So it comes with everything it needs here. It's got screws and stuff there. That's what it looks like there. I guess that comes in blue. I got red, but I like it. Thumbs up, and I'll be back with more. Here we have it. So this is the bird feeder here, and my goal is actually going to be to hang it on this wall here, and then I'll have a nice view. My Wi-Fi is not working right now, but the sun will get it, and then when I view the birds, it'll view like that, so it'll view the forest behind it. So that's kind of what I'm going to give it a try to here, because the birds are always kind of hanging around. So we'll see how it goes.